WordPress 7.0 is right around the corner and you can start testing it right now. You can install it on your WordPress website or you can use the Playground. I'm going to show you how on this video. Now, WordPress 7.0 brings you new features like security features, faster website, and you also have collaboration features and AI features that you can start using right away. So this is 7.0 and currently it's in beta 2 and you cannot install it straight from the WordPress website unless you do a couple of things like installing the plugin that's going to push the beta version to 7.0, which is what I'm going to show you on this video with a fresh WordPress install, a direct download. So if you install a fresh version of WordPress, you can do it this way via command line or the WordPress Playground. Now, if you don't want to mess up your website, if you don't want to risk anything at all, go ahead and use the WordPress Playground instance. This is going to open up a brand new WordPress website with 7.0 installed. These are meant for testing purposes only. You can't save these to start using it on your WordPress website. This is just a playground. And right now you can see in the updates that this is in 7.0 beta 2. So that's like the easiest way that you can start testing it right now to see the AI features, collaboration features, and start using it right away. The next one I'm going to show you is to do it via your actual WordPress install. Now, I highly recommend that you back up your website before actually doing this, okay? Now, before we get started, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan to install your WordPress website, to install 7.0, this is a great option. They have managed WordPress that has AI features built into it too. So it's a great option to have. Now, they have great pricing available that you can grab right now, plus an extra discount that you can grab with my coupon code. Now, this is currently starting at $199 and all the way up to $699. I'm recommending the most popular plan, which is the Business Plus AI plan, which is $299 a month. It's going to allow you to install up to 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of MBB storage, 5 mailboxes per website for the first year free, plus the AI tools that are included. So let's go ahead and choose this plan right now, because we're going to apply the coupon code. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, you'll be good to go for 4 years. Now, this is the current pricing, but if you click on have a coupon code and type in my code or paste it in, the price is going to drop to $129.17. So use my coupon code if you plan to grab a hosting plan. Now back to my WordPress website where I'm going to show you how to install 7.0. Now, first thing we need to do is jump over to plugins, click on add plugin, and we are going to search for a certain plugin. I'm going to type in beta and it's going to be one of the first plugins that I see here, which is this one, WordPress Beta Tester by Andy Fragan. This is going to help you install the beta version. So let's go ahead and click on install now. Here we go. I'm going to activate it. And let's go into that specific plugin. Here it is, WordPress Beta Tester. Let's jump into settings. And what I'm going to do now is force it to jump into 7.0. So I'm going to go to the bleeding edge right now, and I'm going to use the daily updates. So I can go for the beta version or the release candidates only. But in this case, I'm going to go with the latest version. So it might be unstable. I wouldn't recommend this on a live site. I only would recommend this for testing purposes, okay? So once that's installed, we'll go over to the dashboard, go to updates, and in updates, we'll now have the option to update to the latest version. Right now, it's 6.9.1, but once I do the update, it's going to jump into 7.0, and it should be beta 2, which is one of the latest versions currently. Here we go. The update is now done. We are now on WordPress 7.0, and we are going to get new features, like, for example, notes, visual drag and drop, command plates, file text, and a few other things here. But what I want to show you is the AI feature that you're going to have available now and the collaboration feature. So over here on settings, there's a new option that says connectors. Over here, we'll be able to install the API key to use any of these AI models like OpenAI, Claude, or Gemini. So I'm going to install this and I'll be able to add the API keys for any of these if I plan to use them. In this case, I'm not going to do so, but this is where you add your API key. Now, there's another plugin that we're going to add because it's not available right now to enable the AI features totally. So we need to also install this one, which is the AI Experiments by WordPress.org. So I'm going to activate this. And right now, as in this beta testing, we'll need to set that up to in the AI Experiments. So you'll need to turn all these on to be able to use them. So let's go ahead and do so right now. And let's go ahead and save, because we'll be able to do any of these AI features. For example, the ability explorer, the excerpt generation, alt text generation, the image generation, content summarization, and title generation. Now you'll find those over here in post. So for example, if I create a brand new post, I'll be able to generate titles from this. So for example, if I go to titles, there's a new option that says generate. Currently, I don't have the API key installed, but if I did, I can generate the title right here. Same thing goes with generate a featured image. So again, it's using AI. I can generate an AI summary, and I can do alt tags from the images I upload, and all of that will be possible with the AI features once I enable them with the API key. There's also the AI content creator straight from here. Now there's another feature for collaboration. Currently, I have not enabled this, but I will enable it right now. Now let me go ahead and show you the collaboration feature. So right now I'm in, for example, the type box here. I am going to test, and I'm going to click on the options here. And for example, I'm going to add a note. So let's go ahead and do so right now. And I'm just going to say test. I'm going to add the node, and I'll be able to collaborate on this live when making changes. For example, if I have a collaborator or team member who's also on this side, we'll be able to view the nodes because we're collaborating. Same thing goes in pages, like in the post. So it's a really great option to have here in this new version 7.0, along with several other features that are also added with this new version. But these are the main ones that I wanted to show you: the new AI feature and the collaboration features that you have available here. Now be aware that you have to enable the collaboration feature if it's not available to you at the beginning. That's going to be over here in settings, writing, and in writing there's an option that says here, enable real-time collaboration, and that is going to enable us to both work on the same page at the same time and get the collaboration changes right away. So don't forget to enable this. So as you can see, it's super easy to start testing right now WordPress 7.0 either on your WordPress website or via the Playground. So start testing right now, 7.0.